The 10-minute daily grooming routine that actually works. This entire grooming routine takes 10 minutes a day, costs almost nothing, and makes a visible difference within 2 weeks. Stay till the end. I'll show you the one step most guys skip that makes the biggest difference of all. Grooming isn't about looking like a different person, it's basic maintenance like brushing your teeth. Skip it, and even the best outfit won't save your overall look. Here's the exact 10-minute routine, step by step. Step 1. Face wash. Morning and night, wash your face with a basic gel-based face wash. Avoid bar soap because it dries out your skin. This removes oil and dirt buildup that causes breakouts and dull-looking skin. A basic pharmacy brand face wash works fine. Step 2. Moisturizer. Right after washing, apply a light oil-free moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. This locks in hydration and takes your skin from looking tired and rough to looking fresh. It takes 30 seconds and makes a noticeable difference. Step 3. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen every single morning even if you're indoors most of the day. This is the most skipped step and one of the most important. It helps prevent premature aging, dark spots and uneven skin tone over time. SPF 30 or higher is enough. Step 4. Eyebrow maintenance. Once a week trim any long stray eyebrow hairs with small scissors or a trimmer. You're not changing your eyebrows, just cleaning up the obvious extra hairs. This small detail frames your face and makes your overall look cleaner. Step 5. Beard or stubble maintenance. If you have facial hair, your neckline and cheek line with a trimmer. This makes any beard length look intentional instead of just unshaved. Do this every 3 to 4 days to keep the lines sharp. If you're clean shaven, replace this with a quick shave. Step 6. Hair styling. A small amount of matte clay or paste worked through slightly damp hair takes 2 minutes and creates the biggest visible difference. You don't need 10 products. One good product used consistently beats a complicated routine you never follow. But there's one more step, and it's the one almost everyone skips. Step 7. The skipped step. Oral care. Brush your teeth and keep a small breath freshener or mints with you. Close-up conversations happen more often than people think, and bad breath can ruin every other effort instantly. It costs almost nothing and takes just a few seconds. So here's the full 10-minute routine. Face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, eyebrow check, beard or shave maintenance, hair styling and oral care. Done consistently, this entire routine takes under 10 minutes and can completely improve your overall appearance. If this helped, subscribe. Next video, I'm breaking down how to actually build confidence, not fake it. And if you want links to everything mentioned in this video, follow me on Instagram. All the links are there.